Okay, yay! Happy birthday, Max!
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here.
Yes! And we are here because you are launching something special then on your birthday.
Yes, exactly. So itong vlog na to, it's called Life to the Max. And I would say na this is my offering. This is my offering to the world, to my audience, to my followers. This is like lahat ng mga episodes na ginawa ko dito sa Life to the Max. These are all the lessons and the teachings that I learned na sana tinuro sa akin nung mas bata ako. So this vlog is like, I created it for my younger self. Kung baga, if I look back kung nung mga time na 20, early 20s or during my 20s, sana may napanood akong ganitong klaseng vlog para matulungan ko yung sarili ko on how to deal with my mental health. Because I'm a very strong mental health advocate. And ang naisip ko is, parang wala masyadong mga vlogs or parang wala masyadong events that really highlight how important mental health is. And gusto ko sana dalhin yung energy na yun. Kaya ito yun, Life to the Max.
Sabi mo kanina love letter mo to your younger self.
Yes.
So parang hinihil mo ba yung inner child mo?
Yes, exactly. Yan yun, yun. Ang tinatawag natin na inner child healing. Yan ang natutunan ko sa journey ko na yun pala, kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng mga adult tantrums. Kaya tayo nag-e-explode habang adults tayo. Kasi meron tayong mga inner child wounds na hindi pa natin nahihilom. Kaya kailangan natin talagang pagtuunan ng pansin yung mga sugat na hindi natin, alam mo yon, hindi natin pinapansin or parang dinedenay natin. Kasi masyadong masakit. So, through this show, Life to the Max, gusto ko ipakita na kaya. Kaya natin. Kahit masakit, kahit mahirap, kahit awkward at uncomfortable, kaya natin at dapat natin kayanin na i-heal yung ating sarili. Kasi sa tingin ko, in my humble opinion, tingin ko hindi tayo makaka-move forward in life kung hindi natin i-heal yung mga sugat natin from the past. So, minsan may mga tao na tuloy-tuloy lang sila, tuloy-tuloy lang, move forward, pero yun pala, stuck pa rin talaga sila sa past. Meaning, hindi pa nila na-forgive yung mga kailangan nila i-forgive at hindi pa rin nila na-forgive yung mga sarili nila for their past mistakes. At yun yung dinaanan ko. For the longest time, hindi ako makatingin sa sarili ko sa salamin kasi I was ashamed. I was ashamed, embarrassed, disappointed with all of my past failures and my past mistakes. Pero in my healing journey, natutunan ko na okay lang pala. Okay lang dumaan sa pagkakamali. Okay lang na dumaan tayo sa immature years natin. Kasi dun tayo natututo at dun tayo nag-grow.
May mga magiging guest ka dito?
Marami. Meron tayo. Ang mga guests ko dito, of course, Pia Magalona. Meron
First
kami.
guest.
One of my first guests. Siya actually, ang pinaka-first guest ko. Ang topic namin is about making peace with the past. Kasi alam naman ng mga tao yata na kami ni Mama, hindi ganun ka-perfect yung relationship namin. Pero somehow, we found our way back to each other. Alam mo yun?
Nakakatuwa yun.
Oo. Kasi
nagkaroon kayo ng falling out din.
And I'm sure hindi lang kami ang mother and daughter na dumadaan sa ganyan. Maraming dumadaan sa ganyan. And minsan, hindi pa nila alam na meron na pala silang pinagdadaanan. So gusto namin ipakita sa episode na to na even if may mga mother and daughter na somehow nagkakaroon kayo ng mga disagreement, nagkakaroon kayo ng mga away sa isa't isa, pero eventually, maiintindihan ninyo na both of you want the best for each other and that's why you have conflicts. Kasi kailangan ninyo daanan yon para mas magkaroon kayo ng understanding sa isa't isa.
Sino pang ibang aabangan mo?
Ang iba pang aabangan dito, Amanda Griffin Jacob, Alessandra De Rossi, Elise Hoson, Julian Sihuko.
Yung mga close friends mo muna.
Even my closest friends na non-showbiz, Christina Garcia, Sari Lazaro, yan ang mga guests namin dito. And I'm hoping to guest one of my siblings, maybe si Elmo. So, itong show na to, it's really all about wellness. It's about authenticity. It's about being kind to yourself. Kung gusto ko i-share sa audience ko yung yung importance of choosing yourself and loving yourself the right way. Kasi minsan in our journeys, parang hinuhuli natin yung sarili natin eh. We put other people before us or we put their needs first. Kasi akala natin, yun yung mas importante. Pero dito sa Life to the Max, ipapakita ko yung importance ng kailangan pala talaga unahin natin ang sarili natin. Not because we want to be selfish, but because it's necessary. You have to put yourself first. You have to prioritize your needs para magawa mo rin yung kailangan para sa ibang tao, pero unahin mo muna ang sarili mo.
If you can guess anyone na papayag mag-guest sa'yo, sino yung dream mong i-guest?
Okay. Ang dumadating sa isip ko ngayon, Karen Davila or Ma'am Charo. Ma'am Charo Santos. Yan ang aking mga female idols. Sila talaga ang mga tinitingala ko kasi, you know, they have shown how to go through life with grace and with authenticity and integrity. Kaya idol ko sila, kaya sana mag-guest ko sila. Even if hindi dito sa season 1, maybe sa season 2.
How did you come up with your theme for today, with your birthday?
Okay. So, my birthday is on November 23. Usually, that's around Thanksgiving sa Amerika, di ba? So, naisip ko, gusto kong gumawa ng event kung saan mai-invite ko yung mga friends ko and then I will ask them to come in their holiday outfits para naman festive tayo and we all parang, alam mo yun, raise our vibration. Kasi lalo na during the Christmas season, during Burr months, very stressful. Ang daming ginagawa, ang daming to-do lists. So for tonight, I wanted to create an event where my friends and family can relax, can distress, and can really enjoy the holiday season dito sa ating Color It Christmas. Ang daming mga magagandang Christmas decorations. Yes,
Bilang
yes.
Paskong-Pasko dito.
Have you ever start decorating your own place?
Yes, yes. Actually, nagsimula ako September 1.
Wow.
Oo, alam mo, inisip ko nga,
Burmans.
bakit ba sa atin dito sa Pilipinas, ang aga natin mag-Christmas celebration? Tapos naisip ko, why not? Diba? Totoo naman. The earlier, the better. And yun yung na-realize ko kasi alam naman natin na life is not easy. You know, adulting is hard. And lalo na sa lahat ng dinadaanan ng bansa natin, sa mga nakikita natin sa balita ngayon, I guess I wanted tonight to be a reminder na even if there are hardships, even if there is pain in this world, even if there is darkness, we can always turn to the light and we can always find light. Kaya yun yung gusto kong maging message for tonight.
You have a Christmas wish?
My Christmas wish!
Birthday
Wow.
wish muna.
Birthday wish
Birthday wish. Okay.
Okay. Ang aga.
Ako, ang birthday wish ko is inner peace for me and for my family. And ang Christmas wish ko for everyone is to experience that kind of inner peace. Because I know that everyone deserves to be at peace with themselves, be at peace with life. And my wish is for everyone to just be happy. And even if merong galit, even if meron tayong pain, let's try our best to share good energy with one another. So I pray for everyone to be happy and to share happiness with others as well.
Thank you, ma'am.